Hi. So I'm sitting here at a picnic table where during Hurricane Helene, I'd probably be in over a foot of water. And I want to just talk about the flooding that's going on all over our country, America here. Um, it's whether you believe it or not, it's God's judgment. He's shaking things up. I mean, it's not really his judgment. He's trying to wake you up. He's trying to shake the hill, so to speak, like it's written in the Old Testament, like he did for Jerusalem and Israel, his people. Now, you might be from the school of thought that it's the CLIMATE. You got some change thing where they're, blaming us for having meager lives, creating the destruction by emissions. Where you may believe that, and you also may believe that there's forces of evil that are manipulating the situation and creating disasters. Either way, God's allowing it to happen. He's allowing it to happen to get your attention. When your road turns into a river, it kind of makes you think. When your house floats away, or you lose some dear friends or family from this disaster, makes you question your certainty that God is not real. Many of you shake your fist at him and say, "How could you? How dare you?" Well, if you're going to shake your fist at him, you might as well pray to him, because that means you believe in him. He's allowed to do whatever he wants to his creation. Just like man thinks they can do whatever they want to God's creation, because they hold a piece of paper. Guess what? You don't own anything his. He just loans it to you for the time that you're here. For following him, we should be good stewards of it and use it for his benefit and everyone else's. Most of my life, I didn't believe in God. Until he revealed himself to me by me having a small amount of faith that he was and is and will be. Then his spirit was poured into me, and it was an amazing thing. So I urge you to listen to his shakings, listen to his rumblings, listen to the cloud growling to get your attention. And I hope that you find him in prayer, in your spirit, in your soul. And I hope that you come to love and know him, for time's running out. It's not a 1.5 degree temperature raise. If you really look into that whole metric is just a average to fool you, to blame you. For what the wicked are doing and God is allowing, just like he did time again in the Old Testament. He used pestilence, famine, the sword as a warning for the ultimate judgment. And what are you going to say on that day? Hopefully the word Jesus Christ comes from your lips. I love y'all. Be safe. Stay prayed up. Shalom.